How to change TikTok profile name. If you want to change TikTok profile name, here's the tutorial. Open TikTok on your phone. Go to your profile at the bottom right. Click on Edit Profile. Click on your name and change your name. Okay. Keep in mind your nickname can only be changed only every 7 days. Okay. If everything is good, just click Save at the top right and click Confirm. And your name has been changed. So that's the tutorial on how to change TikTok profile name. Hopefully this is useful, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.